Good morning everybody, and welcome to our channel and welcome to Moalboal. So we arrived here 2 days ago now.
Really late in the evening.
Yeah, we arrived really late in the evening. Rayna also sprained her ankle yesterday.
I fell. The hotel.
She fell on a step.
Yeah, we're on like the second floor in the hotel that we're staying in, and I was walking down the stairs and I got to the bottom step, and I don't know what happened. My ankle was just like this, and like I was then on the floor.
But it's okay today, isn't it?
Yeah. So it was quite bad yesterday, but.
So our plan today is it is early in the morning at the moment. It's roughly around about 6:45 in the morning.
Craig woke me up. I was not happy.
And we are planning to go and see some turtles and some sardines this morning. Fingers crossed.
So it's one of the main things to do here in Moalboal. We're staying in Panicsama Road or beach area. So it's literally a 5-minute walk down the road to the beachfront where you can see them. So we've got up early, so we're hoping there shouldn't be any like boats on tours at this time in the morning.
And apparently the turtles come in early in the morning to feed. So we've never seen a turtle
before, and we've been travelling on and off for a few years. And we've never seen a turtle, so
so we're really excited. So
I think I'll scream underwater if I see one. I don't have a snorkel though, so I'm going to take my goggles, but we're not sure. Apparently you can rent masks at the beachfront, but we're not sure if they'll be open.
But yeah, we're really excited. It's the sardine run that we're doing, and it's literally right off the shore, so you can literally just walk into the water and have a little swim and you'll see all of them. And apparently there's thousands and thousands of sardines and they all just swim around, and it's going to be incredible. So we're really excited.
We're going to head down there now, and then we're going to come back and have some breakfast in our hotel, and then maybe check out one of the other beaches here later on, but we'll see.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys at the beach. Roughly about a 5-minute walk from where we are staying, and the place we are staying is called a Rouge Guest House. I definitely recommend staying there. It's really nice. Everybody there is really friendly, and the people kind of just make it. And I got 2 cats, which we love cats. So we have just arrived at the beach, and it's not really much of a beach. It's kind of more like concrete beach. But there's a few people out there at the moment, and we think usually they congregate around where all the sardines are, so hopefully we'll follow suit and we should be able to find some sardines. We've been in the water for about half an hour or longer, and there's so many like clownfish, there's so many dories, there's so many Nemo. We haven't seen a turtle, unfortunately.
Maybe we'll come back down another day.
But yeah, we're definitely going to come back most mornings to do this.
Yeah. It's amazing.
The amount of sardines that are here is absolutely incredible. But
like, I would love to know how many. Like 10,000.
There's got to be millions, I'd say.
And they go all along the
whole shoreline. dog's going for a swim. Yeah. Come on, doggy. Did you have a nice swim? Did you have a nice swim? Yeah. You are wet. Yes, you are. Is this watermelon?
No, pomelo.
Pomelo.
Pineapple.
Ah, you want to try that?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've just got this fruit here. Got some pineapple and some pomelo.
Which we never had before.
Never had.
It's really good.
What does it taste like?
That tastes a bit like pineapple because it was touching the pineapple. But like, it's like an orange kind of, but it's more mild. I really like it.
It's like the colour of a watermelon, but like an orange segment.
It's like a pale pink.
We're guessing it's probably around about 9 o'clock now. Near around 9 o'clock.
Half 8, 9.
And it's getting a lot busier now. A lot more people have just, groups have just turned up towards, and the sun's come out just as we've come out. But I think we're probably going to go back in for a bit.
Yeah.
We just have a little.
I saw lots of little I think there were jellyfishes when I was coming out in the shallow bit. And I think when you're in there, you do feel like tiny little stings all over you, which might be from the salt or the jellyfish. But we're just going to sit here and eat our fruit that we got from a nice lady, and maybe we'll go back in. We really want to see some turtles, don't we?
Yeah.
So maybe we'll get lucky.
So we have just got back to our hotel. We've had a shower, cleaned up, and now we're going to have some breakfast. Rayna's down there already eating her breakfast, and she's got a couple of friends to keep her company as well. Yeah. Meow. Meow. Ooh. Ooh. What's this? What is it? Ooh. Tomatoes, cucumber, eggs, scrambled egg and toast. And we got this homemade peanut butter, which is amazing. We have some chocolate spread. We have some strawberry jam. We have tea and coffee up here where we can help ourselves. So it's currently around about midday, and I'm gonna get some lunch and head to White Beach. So we've run into a bit of a problem. We was about to get on a bike, tricycle to go down to White Beach, but it turns out that you need a tourism pass whilst you're here in Moalboal, which we had no idea about. We've now got to try and get to the tourism office, which is a 40-minute walk. So we're gonna try and hire a bike instead, go down to the tourism office and try and get the tourism pass sorted, and then from there we're gonna head to White Beach. Hopefully we get it all sorted, and we'll see you in a bit.
So we've just got our motorbike. It was only 350 pesos for one day. So we've got it from 2 PM today till 2 PM tomorrow. They didn't have any automatic bikes left, so we've got a semi-automatic, and there was a really nice guy there who gave Craig a lesson in how to drive one because he's never driven one before.
Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy.
So we have finally made it to White Beach. The sand here is quite rough compared to other places that I've been to, but the water here is so clear, and it's really busy. It's Saturday afternoon, and there is a load of local tourists here. It is absolutely beautiful, and it's really hot. It's like 32 degrees. There's no breeze, so we're going to get in the sea, and we're just going to stay in there for a little bit. It's so nice here. The water is so clear, and there's loads of tiny little fish all around us. We found a really nice spot which is a bit down from where everybody else is, and it's really nice and quiet here. We're just going to dry off, and then we're going to head back to our hotel. We are going to go and have some dinner.
I'm so hungry. sorry. We've missed lunch.
Yeah,
today.
we missed lunch because we had to go to the tourist office.
Kamusta.
Watch this. Moalboal Sardine, and welcome to the evening. We are about to go. Oh, that's a bit up close and personal. We're about to go and grab some dinner. I've driven a semi-automatic bike for the first time, which I'm quite impressed with myself.
I would say I'm not impressed as the back passenger. I was nearly flung off the back of the seat.
Well, come on, it's like the first time driving a car, you know.
The
You
gear
like that
changes
sometimes.
weren't smooth. Hopefully
Some of them were. No, some of them were. She's lying. She's lying. We're gonna head to go get some dinner now. We're gonna head there now, and we'll see you guys in a bit. We always seem to get stuck in storms or when it's raining, and the rain has started and there's thunder and lightning everywhere, but it's quite nice because we're undercover and we're waiting for our food and we just get to watch the storm pass by, which is really cool. We have finally made it back to our room. We got a tricycle back, which we got way overcharged for, but we don't really care about it too much because we literally would have got absolutely drenched on the way back, and the roads are flooded as well. Dinner was absolutely amazing. I had chili con carne and then jalapenos in it as well, and I love jalapenos. It's like my favourite thing. And Rayna had her veggie burger and she really liked it as well. We are going to be ending this vlog here. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like as well, and comment any suggestions that you have, any questions you have about the Philippines, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.